Hi, Tana Marshall here with your Feel Good Friday message. And today I want to talk to you about bringing your attention back into your heart and shining your heart light. Now, there is an area around your heart that I got this from Jennifer McLean, one of my favorite spiritual teachers and host of Healing with the Masters. There's an area that she calls your sacred heart chamber. This is just behind and below your heart. It's really the center of your being. And it's a place where if you focus on it, you can kind of feel that this is the center of your being. This is where your spirit dwells. And we're usually up here. We're usually in our heads. We're thinking, we're stressing, we're striving, we're just trying to figure things out. But when we take a moment to bring our attention back down into this heart space, it can make all the difference. And I've been making the point of doing this more and more, and it just feels so good. And when I focus on this area, I can feel the light that comes through me, that emanates from me out to the rest of my being, out to everyone around me, to the environment around me, no matter where I go, who I'm around. They can feel this light too, but I have to remember to feel it myself. It's always there. But when we remember it, when we focus on it, and when we think about that light coming through us, however you want to think about it, the light of God or universal energy or source or just divine light. God a lot of times is just described as light, and that light lives in you. And that light is love. And when you just focus on that area and you think about coming from love, it feels good. And you will find yourself moving through your day a little bit differently and saying things differently and thinking things differently. And you'll find your day turning out differently and going really well and going really smoothly, and just because you're really on a path of love. And so I titled this Turn on Your Heart Light because it makes me think of E.T. and I have visual aids. I have visual aids this week. There's my heart light. It's from my Halloween costume last year. I was the bride from the Haunted Mansion. So anyway, there's my heart light. But if you think about E.T., I'm sure you've all seen the movie. Who hasn't seen the movie? His heart lights up when his people in his spaceship are coming to get him, when they get close. So if you think about the fact that Source is always there for you, when you call it in, it lights up your heart. Doesn't that feel good? Just think about that. It's always available to you. Poor E.T., he had to make a crazy phone and contact his people in outer space, but when they finally showed up, his heart lit up. You can light up your heart at any moment by focusing on that sacred heart chamber. I want you to just take a moment, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and focus on it. Put your attention there and just think about light, the light there, and that it's love. Doesn't that feel good? So I just want you to make a point of going there more often. That's all. I've been doing it, and it can make your day and your life so much better, so much easier. Just remind yourself to go there often and bring yourself back there from here. Believe me, you'll get so much more done. You'll be so much happier. Your life will go smoother if you switch your attention from here to here. So let's turn on that heart light as often as possible and just notice what happens. So that's my message for you today. Turn on your heart light. Take a message from E.T. And if you like this message, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube, forward it to your family and friends. And if you would like these messages delivered straight to your inbox every Friday, jump on over to my website, tanamarshall.com, and get on the mailing list. And with that, I just want to wish you a wonderful weekend. Get into your heart, shine your heart light, and I'll see you next time.